Guys, hands down for this wig. Really, hands down for this wig. One thing I must not lie about is it gets tacky. Is it tacky? Yeah, it gets tacky, but you know, when you take time to comb it out, it works well. You understand? And when you're gentle with it, of course it does shed. As you guys can tell, as you guys know, it's a synthetic hair, alright? But hands down for this wig, guys, it's really gorgeous. Despite all that I just mentioned, is worth having. Guys, this wig is gorgeous. Look, just look at it. After combing, you see how my comb is going through it freely, like freely. I really love it. It's worth the stress, like, you know, detangling it and, you know, just making it come out nice is worth the whole stress. Look at it. Look at. Do you see how beautiful? Right now I see myself as the queen of glam. The queen of glam is really cute. I love it. So I would like to know your thought also. I'd like to know what you guys think. Like, look at it. Do you see that? Do you see that, guys? Wow. Okay. This is so cute. And the front part of it worked. It worked, guys. So yeah, this is it, guys. So let me know your thought in the comment section below. I love it, though I'm sometimes skeptical when it comes to synthetic hair, but after seeing this, I think it's okay. What matters is how you feel in whatever you're having on, whether being your hair, your clothes, you know, how you feel is what matters, you understand? So I really feel good in it. I feel good in this hair, for real. I feel I'm over glammed. Yeah. That's how I feel right now, guys. So this is it for this hair, guys. Look at those babies. Look, just look at that. Look at that. Oh man. Yes, I will be rocking this hair again. I will definitely rock it again. Alright, so this is it, guys. Let me know your thought in the comment section below. Do you like it? I love it. Let me know if you like it in the comment section below. And yeah, so just in case you're feeling this makeup look, of course I have a video up for you guys. I filmed it along with this hair tutorial, right? So you can also check it out. I don't know which one is going to be up first. I think the hair will be up first. Yeah, the hair will be up first, so just watch out for the makeup tutorial. So this is it, guys. Let me know your thought. I know I've said that before, but let me know your thought in the comment section below. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more of hair tutorials like this, please give this video a big thumbs up and I will try to bring you more. Alright, so this is it, guys, and until next time, stay beautiful and be blessed. Bye, guys.
Hello, it's me again. Tell a friend to tell a friend. I'd be lying if I say you weren't someone that I'm